Hey crafty friends, thanks for joining me today. I am so excited to share with you this cute little Easter mini journal that I've made. It's so cute and tiny. I started with covers using these little gift bags. So they measure about 4 inches wide and 5 inches tall. And you can see that I've altered the handles to make little bunny ears, and that was so fun to do. And the paper collection that I used is not even an Easter collection. It's leftovers from this project, which is a class I took with Simple Stories last year. And the collection is called Crafty Things. But there's so many pastels in there and so many fun florals that I think it was perfect for Easter. And you can see I have one of the florals on my spine right here, and it just added a nice addition of blue to the cover, and I was able to use my Martha Stewart doily punch to make that beautiful edge there. And then I was also able to use my Easter stash, and I found this large Easter egg that had these beautiful cutouts in there, and it made it a little bit more elegant, which goes great with the florals from the floral bits from Simple Stories, and I used the foam piece here, and I think love is the absolute perfect title for an Easter journal because I feel like the greatest expression of love was given on that first Easter morning. And also I just used some ribbon from my stash to make this closure, and it did need a closure. It's a little bit of an alligator mouth because I did end up using some thick embellishments in here, which I told myself I wasn't going to do, but I mean, I just couldn't help myself. Some of the embellishments were just too cute to pass up. So anyway, I made some pockets on the inside cover here and added these tags. I love the tags from Simple Stories. They have a 12 by 12 sheet and you can cut them out, and there's double-sided, so tags on each side, and you can have so many to pick and choose from. I made a little pocket on this one to add this little bunny tag. And of course these were, supposed to be with the gift bags that I bought. But I needed a little more Easter because I really don't have a lot of Easter in my stash. A little journaling spot here from one of the journal bits, and I've added the floral bits all throughout the journal. In fact, I hardly have any left. Between the last two projects, I don't have hardly any. So this cute little list was an idea I got from Amber Crawl. I took a class from her at the retreat last year, and she had done this cute little thing with the labels and everything, and I just wanted to recreate that in this album. I think the colors go so perfect with the Easter bunnies here. And now this paper came from Hobby Lobby, and I got it just the other day, so it should still be available, but I think it's a perfect addition to the colors in this journal and give it that Easter feel. Little Easter egg from my stash. Oh, and this extra special came from a sticker sheet that I got years ago at a swap, just part of a swag item, and it was the Hippity Hoppity Easter, something like that. So I've used a few stickers from that sticker sheet throughout the journal, and then some of these are from, and this little tab here is from Let's Get Crafty. I love this collage here. I think that came out so pretty. I used one of the little glittery enamel dots there from the collection. This little bunny was cut out from the Easter paper. And oh my gosh, I've had this in my stash for so long. It's so pretty, and it was popped up twice. I just took off the back foam piece so it wouldn't be super bulky, but I didn't dare take it off of the letters. I didn't want to ruin the sticker, but it was a set that said Happy Easter. And of course, I didn't use the Happy. I just used the Easter, but I just love how this matches and brings out all the bright colors of the collection. And I love this collage. It's so fun using that paint by number tag and a little bunny label. A bunny tag, right? And I just covered that hole with the little floral bit there. And I've used the ribbons from the tags to make these little bows. And then this little mini tag is from the 6x8 paper, so I just cut that out. And this Easter egg hunt sticker is, believe it or not, from leftovers from the Carpe Diem seasonal sticker book. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I kept all those. I hardly have any left, but you just never know when you're going to need it. So there it goes. It's perfect there. And then I can't believe this journaling card was left out of the previous project. It's so pretty. And I just added one of the heart, gold foil hearts there. Excuse me. And I've made this into a tuck spot with that floral bit there. And I found this purple yellow Easter egg. I thought, wow, what a find to go on this page. It's so perfect. And I added some little floral bits there, or not floral bits, foam pieces there, because my card kept wanting to slide out, and I thought maybe if I added foam there, the dimension would keep it from completely falling out of the book, and it seems to be working so far. I made this little belly band here. I found this perfect little stamp that has the rainbow colors there, and so it's perfect with this paper. It has all the same colors, and I have this left over from the previous project. All I had to do is cut a little bit off the side, and it fit in there perfectly, so it was meant to be. And here I have one of my bunny tags, and I think the little floral bit makes a perfect little bunny tail, so that was really fun. And this photo mat here I cut from a tag. I just cut the top off, and I made a tuck spot here with the florals for my tags there, and I love having the two sizes together. This is one of the rub-ons, and I love how it looks like it's just part of the page. And then I took this geometric paper and cut a piece out from the green and made an angled pocket there to kind of coincide with the other page. And I was able to use this floral bit as a border for my pocket. I love this polka dot paper. I wish I'd had a little bit left to make a photo mat, but I didn't have any left. And then I love this collage. I love how this sticker from the sticker book matches this floral bit. And I found a little Hop into Spring sticker word label to put on the tag there, and I think that just came out so cute. And here I had so much fun with this. These are from the journal bits, and this bunny fit perfectly into the frame. And this one I'm going to add a photo, and then I've added some floral bits and some stickers from, I don't know which collection I pulled these from, maybe from all of them. And then I have a couple things from my stash, so it came out so cute, and I'm so happy with it, and love the colors, love everything about it. And I don't know, in my mind I call this my baby bear book, because I only have 3 Easter projects, and one is very elegant and classy, kind of vintage, and then also I made a really cutesy fun one, and then this one is kind of in between, and it's just right, so I call this my little baby bear. So in the comments, let me know which bear you think you are. Are you a mama bear? Are you like the vintage, classic, very beautiful, elegant style for Easter? Are you Papa Bear? You're fun-loving and you love those bright Easter colors? Or are you Baby Bear? You like a little combination of both? You're just right. Let me know in the comments. And I hope you have a wonderful Easter. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.